So today I'm going to show you how to draw cats, how I draw cats. A lot of people say it's easier to start with the head, but I think it's easier to start with the ears. So first, you're gonna draw an ear-like shape and the inside of it. Then you're gonna make this small line. You can add hair or something like that. And then you're going to go over here and draw the other ear. That doesn't look too good, so I'm going to draw it again. And then you're going to draw the inside. And now you can draw the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to draw 2 lines, then go over them, and draw pupils, and a line like this, and I'm going to fill it this, and now we're going to move on to the nose and mouth. You can use that shape, or you can do this shape. I'm going to do this shape. There are 2 types of mouths. You can do this one, or this one. I think I made that area a little too long, so I am going to go back and do this. You can also add something like this to show that their mouth is open, but you don't have to. I'm not going to do it though. And now you outline it. You outline it like this. You can add stuff like fluff, like this. Or you can just have it look kind of like a straight line. I'm gonna go back from this because I didn't think I did the shape that right. Now I'm gonna show you how to make neck fluff. So what you do first is draw a line here, and then do this. And now we're gonna move on to legs. To draw the legs, you're gonna make 2 curved lines like this, and then make the body. So do a straight line, do a second straight line, and now you can draw the legs. You're gonna do this and then draw 2 curved lines like you did before, and now we're gonna move on to the tail. I like to make tails very fluffy. To go out like this, and then do this, and then you can do another set of fluff, and then make the tail. And now you can draw any patterns. For my cat, I'm going to do a simple tabby and draw these fluffs. I'm going to add some cheeks, add some more tabby stripes, and these, and 3 more stripes here. You can do stuff on the ears like this and this. And for the tail, for a pattern, you can do something sort of like this. And now for the final pattern on the legs. And now you're done. All you need to do is color it, and I will be coloring it right now. Sorry, that was a mistake. Okay, I'm gonna fix up some of these lines so the fill color works. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. We're gonna have a poll for the name of this cat. The options are James, Josephine, or Fluffy. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!